Alright, hey guys, so I'm going to make another DIY slime. My other one kind of worked, but it wasn't slime egg at all, but it just felt really cool. So, I've been watching some YouTube videos about how to make slime, and this is only 2 ingredients: no borax, no slime, no borax, no glue. So, yeah. So before I want to get started, I just want to say that I got this from Anita Stories, ANITA Stories. So yeah. So basically, all you need is toothpaste, and this is like an old toothpaste. No one will ever use this, so that's why I decided to use it. And you want to make sure that your toothpaste is a gel toothpaste, or else it won't work. So, and then you set some shampoo. It needs to be thick. I'm just using Dove. You don't have to use Dove, but it has to be thick. It doesn't matter the color, I guess. She didn't say, but. So, yes, I'm just using Dove. And my Mild Bubble Fruit is what flavor toothpaste. And this is Transformers. No one will ever use this, so, yeah. And you need a bowl and a spoon to mix it. So yeah. We don't have any plastic spoons, so that's why I have to use this. But so first, what you want to do is pour out your toothpaste. Must you come in little bits. It smells so good. Okay, I don't think I have a lot in here. Ah. I can't get it out, guys. Oh my gosh. Ah. Alright, I think that's what I'm going to get out of this, so this is literally not a lot, so I'm going to go see if I can find some more toothpaste, so yeah. Okay, so this is the only toothpaste I can find. We still use this, but we do have another full bottle, so that is really good. But this is just Crest Complete Extra Whitening. So, and this is gel, I think, yeah. So, here we go. Okay. Go down. Whoa, okay, that's a lot. Yeah, okay, I think that's enough. So we got a lot. We got really a lot. Okay. You don't have to show yours up, but I'm going to, since I use 2 different ones. 2 different kinds. So that's what it looks like so far. It's really slimy and stuff. That's really good. So now you're gonna add your soap. Hang on a second. Okay. Oh my gosh, seriously. That sounds really gross. Maybe just a little bit more. Yeah, I don't even get anything else out of this. Hang on. Oh, gosh. There's like all this stuff up here. And you just go down. That sounds really weird. Okay. That's all I'm going to get out of this. I am not going to even have to worry about it. So that's what it looks like now. And now I'm just going to mix it up and see if it works. Ah, it feels so good. Okay, this is definitely slime this time, guys. Oh my god, it's stinky. Look at that. It's like so good. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more toothpaste though, because it's not a lot of slime. I hope this doesn't mess it up, because this is like perfect. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know if I'm going to get much more out of this. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do. Because I'm really running out of soap here. Okay, so I'm going to make a really loud noise. This is definitely slime. I'm probably going to throw the other slime away because this is like not good. Oh my god. It's all over my hands. It probably does need more. Okay, this is like wasting. Get off my hands. It's wasting it. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. So I'm gonna add more butterosh. Maybe if I can even get it open. Second time that's happened. And she said if it gets like sticky, then you need more toothpaste, so. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to use. This poor tube of toothpaste, look at this. We put it away, and there's the rest. So that's what it looks like. So I definitely think this is a success. My hands are like really messy, but a success. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you make this. I totally request that you do. Which is really good slime. So, yeah. So, bye. Love you guys. I don't know what that was, but yeah.